This is WAEC June 2019 General Mathematics Paper 2, and we are answering question number 8a. And the question says solve the inequality 1 over 3x minus 1 over 4 into x plus 2 greater or equals to 3x minus 1 whole number 1 over 3. So let's attempt to answer this very question together. What you do first is to copy the given inequality. So what you do first, as all other fractions are either in proper or improper form, this makes the fraction, you have to change it as well to improper. So changing this one whole number 1 over 3 means 1 times 3 plus 1. That will give a result 4 over 3. So next you now do is to clear the fraction. Clearing the fraction means multiply each and every term by the LCM of 3, 4, and this 3, which will now be 12. So each and every term multiplied by 12, if that is done correctly, you now have 4x. 1 over 3 x times 12 is giving you 4x. This 1 over 4 times the bracket times to 12, you have in 4 into 12 is 3. 3 times the bracket is what gives you 3 into x plus 2. 3x multiplied by 12 is 36x, and 4 over 3 multiplied by 12. 3 in 12 is 4. 4 times this 4 is what gives you 16. So next you expand this very bracket, that is minus 3 times everything inside. If done correctly, you have 4x minus 3 times x is minus 3x. Minus 3 times plus 2 is minus 6. Greater or equals to 36, x minus 16. So next you collect like terms. All in x shifted to the left and all constant numbers shifted to the right. There you now have 4x minus 3x minus 36x. Is this 36 shifted to the left becomes minus 36. Then minus 16, then this minus 6 shifted to the right becomes plus 6. So collecting this like terms exactly, 4x minus 3x minus 36x gives answer minus 35x. And minus 16 plus 6 gives answer minus 10. So next we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is minus 35. Dividing both sides by negative will reverse this inequality symbol. So there you are going to have x instead greater. You now have less than or equals to minus 10 divided by minus 35. And reducing this very fraction, minus divided by minus is plus. 5 in 10 is 2, 5 in 35 is 7. So you now have x less than or equals to 2 over 7. And this will now be the solution to this very inequality. So let me just share with you the mark distribution for this very question as it is contained in the marking scheme. So the very first mark is method 1 mark. And this method 1 mark, you have it in attempt to solve up to where you clear the fraction, you have this method 1 mark. When you continue to simplify the attempt to solve up to this level, where you have minus 35 x greater or equals to minus 30, you have this method 1 mark. Dividing both sides by the coefficient of x in attempt to solve, you have this method 1 mark. And when you now have x exactly as x less than or equals to 2 over 7, you have this accuracy 1 mark. So this question number 8 has 4 good marks.